Hey everyone, King Julian here, together with my brand new products from Quadlock. I purchased the iPhone 11 phone case for my phone, then the water-resistant silicone poncho and the strongest, most secure and versatile mounting system ever made. Let's see the products now in a bit more detail. I'll start with the phone case, which is made out of very hard, solid rubber. It feels almost like plastic, and in the back of the case there's this hole that we'll use to log our phone into the Quadlock fork stem mount. This is what a water-resistant poncho looks like. I won't be actually using it today, and I don't think it needs any extra review. And the mounting kit, which consists of the fork stem mount itself and a sort of a key or a tool to mount it. I'll show you later. Other than that, the products also come with this manual and a nice treat in form of some stickers. How to mount this thing onto my beautiful bike. So, here's the mount itself together with this key that I'll be using and one alternative part which I'll explain later. First I remove this little plastic cap, and here's the opening where the Quadlock will be installed. I removed it using this knife, and as you can see it is quite impossible to remove it without damaging the cap, but yes, that's life. Now, depending on the type of bike you have, you can use two types of mount. Either there is this thicker option, which comes in the package with the Quadlock, or then the slimmer one. The opening on my bike is bigger, so I'll need to go with the thicker option. And now I'll try to remove this original part. As you can see, it's held by a couple of rubber straps, so I can just slide it out like this, okay, and put this back on. I hope you can see, or at least you'll be able to see the result. Good. Another thing that we need to do, we'll be using this key now, which helps us reach the ideal setting for the Quadlock. So first thing that I'll need to do is remove the screw and remove the upper part of the mount. And okay, removed. Oh, of course I had to drop it. Wouldn't be me. Yeah, never mind. Okay, now I'll remove this little cap from the lower part of the mount. And why I'm doing it, I'll show you right away. I'll stick it into that hole, and I decided to sit on the bike in order to straighten the handlebars and make sure that the mount is placed evenly. Wonderful. It's done. Nice and even. Now is the time to connect the upper part of the mount to the lower part. Let's put the plastic cap back on, and here we go. Wonderful. And we're coming to the last part, which is the bolt for our phone in the Quadlock case. So I will tighten up this screw using the key again. All nice and tight, and I actually just noticed that I might adjust the angle. They should be fine. Okay, let's try and log our phone in. As you can see, it is already in the phone case, and this is actually quite tricky. Well, okay, now it clicked and we're fine. I'll just do the final adjustment here, and this is the angle I want. Great. Looks fine. Looks awesome. All in all, it seems like a solid product. Although it's solid. And if you want to remove it, you just press it down here, turn it, and remove it, and to put it back, let's try it again. Oh, okay, I can get used to this. Not too bad. Cool. Let's wrap it up for today with some final thoughts after my first test ride using the Quad-Lock fork stem mount. All in all, I must say it seems to be a very solid and reliable product. It seems very hard to break, which is great, and I feel totally safe having my phone locked into the Quad-Lock fork stem mount. The installation is very easy, as you could see, very straightforward. I didn't even need the manual, so this is also great. Quad-Lock is keeping things simple. The installation as well as the use of the solution, which is great. Thumbs up for that. However, on the other hand, there are also some negative sides to this product, which I would like to discuss with you now. First, the phone case is made of very hard rubber, so it can get pretty difficult to place your phone into the case. And once you have done it, you never wish to actually take your phone out of the case. I totally understand that the hardness of the Quad-Lock phone case is most probably a security matter, and the phone really feels very secure in the phone case. It would never fall off, I can guarantee that. But in case you're using multiple phone cases, as I do, like one for the Quad-Lock fork stem mount, for the travels, to have a navigation, and another one with a more robust one with various compartments where you can keep your money or your personal documents, which you can use as practically as a wallet, then it might be a little bit of a pain in the ass switching between the two, because it is really, really hard to take your phone out of the Quad-Lock case. Another thing that might give you a little bit of a headache is trying to find that perfect position for the phone case to lock into the mount. It seems very easy in the videos and ads by Quad-Lock, very intuitive, but believe me, the reality is a little bit different. I've tried to do it multiple times, and most of the times I really struggled trying to find that perfect position. When you hear the click, the phone case locks into the mount and you're ready and safe to go. On the other hand though, to be completely fair, removing the phone case from the mount is the easiest job ever. All you need to do is press down the little blue lever on the side of the mount and turn the case to one of the sides. My final warning goes to all the people out there who have a tempered glass installed on their phone. It might actually be that the tempered glass isn't compatible with the Quad-Lock case in terms of size. I had this issue, and as soon as I placed my phone into the Quad-Lock case, I noticed that the hard rubber of the case started pressing against the tempered glass on the sides, and it literally peeled off of the display of my phone. So in this case, there is a possibility to order a tempered glass which should be compatible with the Quad-Lock case directly on the Quad-Lock website. The price of the original Quad-Lock tempered glass is somewhere between 14 and 16 euros, I think. So yeah, no big deal. I might actually order one for myself. And that's pretty much it for the positive and negative sides of the Quad-Lock solution. I guess I'll be using the shit out of it now before the end of the summer, so I might give you some updates, but so far so good. Thank you very much guys, as always, for watching, listening to my bullshit, subscribing to my channel, supporting me through the likes, follows on Instagram, comments, interaction, whatever. It is highly appreciated. I really enjoy seeing our little community growing. Thank you for all the love and talk to you soon. Cheers, bye bye, cheerio!